Beep beep, what is up ninjas? My name is Samworld and hopefully you guys had an amazing week. I know I did. I got to climb a mountain, I got to do my little ice mountaineering crap, I got to go out with my friends at night and get some thotties to say that Ableton was better than FL Studio.
It's 12:58. Video.
And the highlight of everyone's weekend, the Swedish House Mafia reunion. Now today we're going to be talking about whether this was a big win or a big fail, and there's going to be a couple of reasons why I'm saying that this is a possibility of a fail, because so much went wrong on a night that was supposed to be perfect, but at the end of the day it was still a win because it did what it was meant to do, and that was get everyone hyped up and give everyone hope that progressive house dance music couldn't be saved by the Majestic 3, Sebastian Ingrosso, Axwell, and Steve Angelo. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. What are things you didn't like about it? What are things you did? And let's get into the fails and the wins of this night that will be forever remembered for dance music fans out there. So I want to start off with a very bad one right off the bat, the one everyone was complaining about, and that is going to be the camera angle that Ultra decided was wise to put. Now there's a lot of speculation going on about the camera angles, guys, that had me looking through fucking binoculars at my TV. The first one is that Ultra actually messed up and a lot of the rig got fucked. They've done this before, and this horrible camera angle was just due to Ultra's bad part. The other theory by many people is that Swedish House Mafia is making another documentary and they want to save that footage for that documentary, which didn't make sense to me, but it could be a possibility. Whatever it was, guys, it was bad. I did not like the camera angle. I was wondering with my friends why. My friend was going that supposedly they replaced Steve Angelo, maybe that was it, and they didn't want to show his face, but as you guys have seen already, Steve Angelo was there present, all the three, the Majestic 3, and it was a great night. The camera angle ruined the experience a bit, but not to the point where I was like, damn, more to the point where I was like, I just want to see Axwell's beautiful face.
I'm great. She asked me to play hip-hop.
Big win of the night obviously is that Swedish House Mafia did reunite. There was a lot of speculation that it wasn't going to be them, it was going to be Daft Punk, God knows what, but it was them at the end of the night. As I watched and I heard Miami to Ibita's vocals, I got goosebumps in my body, as that's one of my favorite songs by them. And as they kept playing on the set, as they would play the old songs that everyone fell in love with, literally it was just goosebump galore, guys. Like, they should open up a business and every time you get a goosebump from Swedish House Mafia music, you need to give them $1 or something. It was that great and I enjoyed the music throughout. Big win on this reunion from that. Second fail was that the lights weren't up to par, guys, and there's a lot of people online talking about this, and I'm not gonna lie, at first I did not notice. I thought, oh, it looks pretty good, those lights are pretty cool, but as it turns out, a lot of people on Reddit, especially people that work in this business and they do exactly that, which is lighting, were saying that some of the lights weren't working properly, that it was very subpar, the pyrotechnics, the lighting, of course, some of them didn't move like they were supposed to. So again, is this Swedish House Mafia's team's fault or Ultra's fault? They did hype it up to hell though, because as you know, they were setting up the whole production thing, and as I was watching it, it just seemed a bit lackluster. I did not like the lighting after kind of seeing it over and over again, and this is where it was another fail. Kind of sad, as this was supposed to be a very memorable night, but again, lowering the viewer experience, but the music is just so good that I didn't really care. Another big win, guys, was the music. There were a couple of IDs there which I believe are of Steve Angelo. Steve Angelo has done this side project which isn't as popular as the Axwell and Ingrosso stuff, but I feel like it's more true to him. It's more true to what he wants to do instead of catering to the mainstream. And a lot of the IDs that we heard in the stream towards the end were actually pretty dope, and I have a feeling they're going to be in the Steve Angelo's new album that is coming out on April, which I of course pre-ordered. I also like the new mashups they had, definitely worked really well with the music. I was just going galore. The only one I didn't like was the one from 1 to Dream Bigger. I didn't like that mashup at all. I thought it was a bit sloppy when it went into Dream Bigger then back to 1, but still it did the job, and I'm sure if I was there I wouldn't have cared anyways. The next big fail, guys, is they failed to capitalize on this momentum. What I mean by this is they did not debut a new song. You guys know, if you watch documentaries, that they always work on a new song that they unveil at these big festivals. So it was kind of a bit to me, where they didn't unveil a new song. They didn't say this is our new song or whatnot. It's because of all the hype that was built around this thing. But you know, I did enjoy, again, like I said, the IDs, but no capitalization, no tour dates announcements, no merchandise at least. So we'll see what happens with it. But on this one, it's a big fail on my part. What do you guys think? Do you guys think they should have unveiled a new song? Let me know. And finally, guys, the last big win on this is obviously going to be the fact that they created all this momentum. The fact that they had people speculating for so long. All the little things they did, like messing with an Instagram page to posting a story, it all added up to create such a memorable night. Imagine they hadn't done that and it was just like, oh, Swedish House Mafia playing at Ultra. No, they got our emotions stirred up. That was perfect marketing on their part. Honestly, the whole day I was just like, holy shit, it better be them at 7. Like, my whole day revolved around me getting home at 7 so that I could watch this live stream and pray that it was them. And they did it just right. Perfect marketing there, guys. If you learn anything, stir people's emotions with all this stuff and it works. So big win on that part as well. Alright, guys, and that's gonna be the end of the video, but I want you guys to let me know again, do you think it was a big win, a big fail? What didn't you like? What did you like? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. And if you want to learn how to make music, you know, in the style of Swedish House Mafia, EDM, make sure to check out my channel, as most of my videos are educational based, helping you guys make the music that you want to make. So if you've ever been thinking about making music, check the channel out, scroll through some of the videos, and hopefully they can help you out in any way. Now, you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Peace out.